Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I'm going to be doing the update for the Graveyard Project Pan, and this is with a whole bunch of ladies that we collaborated on Instagram. We collaborated last year, and we're bringing it back this year, so it's super exciting. I kind of love stuff like this that comes around every year. But Emily and Max was the very first one to kind of bring it up. There are two different categories: collecting cobwebs, which are things that are just getting old in your collection, and resurrection, which are things that you've tried to pan previously but were not able to for whatever reason. So I'm going to go through my updates right now. I have two empties for you, one of which is super exciting. I'm so excited. Anyways, let's do that right now, and then I'll update you on the other ones, and then I'm adding in two more products to kind of go inside of the ones that were finished. Go inside of them? To take their place. Also, if you are wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, I'm wearing the Jouer Lip Topper, I believe is what it is, in the shade Stardust. This actually just recently got added into a project, and I wanted to test it out, and I kind of love it. It is very shimmery. I haven't decided if it kind of gets all over your face or not, because I haven't been doing really much else besides talking on camera. But we're here, so I do like this. Okay, the two empties that I have are the Ole Henriksen Counterbalance Oil Control Hydrator. I did recently talk about this in my monochromatic project pan. I didn't realize that I had it in both. Probably should have thought about that when I put it in the monochromatic, but that's okay. It forced me to use it. It is completely done. I did unscrew it and get out every little bit that I possibly could in there. There is like a little bit on the edge there that I cannot get with a Q-tip. It just kind of pushes it back in. It is an airless pump, so it was pumped all the way up, and then I unscrewed it, got it all, and now she's gone. I won't repurchase this, however, I will use the other one or ones that I have. I do like this more in the summertime than in the winter, but we're here. Then, for the most exciting thing that I finished is the Sephora Cream Lip Stain in the shade 01 Always Red. Is that what the shade is? Always Red? Pretty sure it is, but I finished it, I used it, and I wore it for a video, and I could barely get enough for my lips, so that tells me that she is gone. There is a little bit stuck in the bottom that I can't quite get to, however, it is getting very dry and very old, so I'm not going to be scraping it out. I did remove the stopper quite a long time ago, and she is cleaned out as much as I can get this thing cleaned out. It was a beautiful red. It stays on your lips all freaking day, literally through anything you eat. It does, but it does give you like that butthole-y lip on the inside of your mouth, because it does make a very distinct line. I didn't love that, but I did love this color and the staying powder of it. So I am so happy to finally call this red lipstick a done product. Oh, it feels so good. Anyways, I did really love this, and I would totally repurchase it. Okay, and the other updated products, I didn't quite finish this Clinique Hydrating Jelly, Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. It is down here. I honestly just forgot to use it when I was hydrating. I was using other things, so this will definitely be an empty by the next update, and if I finish it like very soon, which I probably will, I'll just add something in, take a quick picture of it, and show you guys what I added in, so that way I can start working on whatever the new product is. I also didn't get any usage on this, which I'm really surprised I didn't use any of this. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Amaze. I'm just trying to finish it out, and honestly I should be wearing it like every single day at work, but I just haven't touched it, so she's right where we left her. That's okay. It's one of my favorite colors. I definitely would repurchase, and I'm just going to keep using. Then I had the Kathleen Lights highlighter palette from Makeup Geek. This was something in my Collecting Cobwebs. I had never put it in a project before, and I am happy I put it in here. I have used it a number of times, although it does not look like it. But I am wearing this darkest shade right here all over my décolletage and my shoulders. I don't know. Yeah, you can definitely see a little glow going on there. But this color is definitely way too dark for my face. Even when I'm super tan, I still think it's too dark. And I tend to mix this lightest champagne shade with the pink for my face highlight. I'm not wearing this today as my face highlight, but I do really enjoy this palette, and I think the next update I might take it out of this project. I don't remember if I put any number of like usage on here, but I'm going to take this out the next time so I can put in something else. And the final thing to update you guys on is the Trader Joe's Pumpkin Body Butter. I remember putting this in because the pumpkin flavor was out of season and it's going into the pumpkin season. I have hit major pan on this. And now at this point I completely had forgotten about it, but I do need to use this more often when I'm getting out of the shower. I do love this scent. It smells delicious. It is a very thick body butter, so you need very little of it to actually make any, like, to make your body hydrated, because it is so thick. I do really love it. I would repurchase it. I think this was like $4.99 or $5.99 maybe from Trader Joe's. But yeah, I do really enjoy it. I do really love it, and I'm hoping to have it gone by the next update. As long as I can remember to wear this, it shall be gone. Okay, 2 things I am adding in from, I believe these are both actually from both categories, the Collecting Cobwebs and the Resurrection, because they were both in projects and they're both getting very old. So this is the Too Faced Sun Bunny Bronzer. It is a little sample guy. I do have the full size of this item. And that is where we are. If I can show you guys, see the edges? Like, this has definitely been well loved and well used. I just really have to use this up. My goal was to use this up by the end of the year, and now that we're in summertime, it is the perfect time to use a more glowy bronzer. So I am going to work on this one for the next couple of months until this project is over, and hopefully I can at least hit pan on it, if not finish it. And the final thing that is so dirty is from Wet n Wild. It's the mattifying powder. I do use this all over my eyes and my under eyes, and it is just so, like, nothing there. Like, you guys see that around the rim? I am heavily debating repressing this. However, with how finely milled this product is, I don't know that that's the right move. I don't know if the alcohol is going to ruin it, and I don't want to ruin the product before I totally finish it. So I'm still undecided. I'm going to just keep using it as is. So let me get a good shot here so I can take a screenshot of that so that you guys can actually see how much progress I get by the next time. Hopefully this will be gone. I do wear this every time I put any kind of eye product on, although I did forget it today, of course. Of course I did. Why wouldn't I? Because I'm trying to pan it now. Anyways, I do want to finish this off completely, and this is basically for both categories. Alright guys, so that was it. I only had 6 products, nice and short and sweet, things to work on, definitely some things to finish. I'm hoping to have at least these 2 items gone by the next update. Maybe this one, depending on how many times I wear my makeup in the next 2 months. I'm hoping to hit pan on this one. If I can hit pan by next update, that would be amazing. And maybe get a little bit more pan showing in the ColourPop. So those are my goals. I'm hoping to get through a lot of things this year, as you guys know. And yeah, so make sure you go and check out all the other ladies that are involved in this. I will try to leave, I think there's a link for a spreadsheet now because there's so many people. So if I can find that, I will definitely link it if I remember. I know I'm bad about it, but I will try. And yeah, go from there. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!